Oh, that's so cool. I love it. Look at that. Oh, wow. Where's DJ Trains? That is so...
The yellow is the locomotive.
Yeah, I saw it. I'm sure I got it on video.
Your analysis is the correct analysis. Normalizing bad behaviors.
Normalizing bad behaviors. I can't stand it. It makes me sick.
What's been going on since the global mortgage meltdown.
Yep.
That's why there's so much corruption. These people who do 40 miles an hour down our 25-mile-an-hour road in front of our house, and et cetera, people who pass over the double solid line, all of them. It's acceptable to break the law, to disobey the rules.
Yeah. Housatonic river.
And disrespect your fellow community members.
I feel like I'm 85 years old. You know what the snap is? Is this where the train's coming?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Smart call, Linda Maria.
Am I gonna get out? I'm gonna get out. Here it comes! Here it comes! Oh, yeah. Here it comes! Bye-bye. Safe travels. Safe travels. Bye. I love it. Oops. Let's get him. Smash on this sign. Harry Brook, thanks for letting us park here. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna do that before Sherman and the light show. I love it. I'm gonna get the right away. Roundabout New Milford. Got that on video. That's cool.